Hello everyone, we're back with the Bissell Multi-Clean Allergen Pet Upright Vacuum. Today is going to be a maintenance video. We're going to be taking this machine apart and showing you how to do basic maintenance procedures. I got a brand new DeWalt 20 volt max XR brushless drill with a 5 amp hour battery. This is freaking amazing. Great drill. First, we're going to take off the bin and we're going to empty it. This is a really basic maintenance procedure. To empty the bin on your Bissell, all you do is hit the empty button, hold it over your garbage, and that's all it really takes. Now, I did spill some dirt. I'm going to show you how to clean that up. Whoops, I just turned my autofocus off. There we go, it's back on. So to clean your bin out, I'm going to be using my Dyson V10, and we're going to use this tool right here. I'm going to use it on max. Okay, so to take your cyclone out, you grab like this and turn it like that. And now your main separator has been removed. Now you vacuum the cyclone separator out just like this. You can see all the dirt that was trapped up in the cyclone. I'm going to put it on the end of the vacuum like that and suck all the dust out. Now your filters are stored in here. You lift this little latch up right here and you can access your filter. My filter is clean, but we're going to wash it anyway for the purposes of the video. I'm going to move this out of the way, and now we're going to maintenance the bottom of the machine. So to take out your brush roll, there's some screws down here. We are going to take these screws out. So and now you can take your brush roll off. You simply grab the brush roll like this and it comes right out like that. You see it is a little bit hairy, the brush roll. And we're going to use our soft dusting brush. I'm going to vacuum inside of here. Where did this just come from? Oh boy. Oh boy. Just had this come out and I'm not sure where it came from. No idea where this came from. So I doubt it goes here, but well, I'll figure that out another time. So we're going to vacuum the bottom like that. Then I just take a little bit of window cleaner, Windex glass cleaner, and I spray it on a rag and I just wipe up in here like this. This is just to get off the discoloration and dirt, just like that. It's really simple, really easy. There's a lot of kitty food caked up in here. So that's where the dirty vacuum smell is coming from. So I'm going to wipe this off, actually. I'm going to use my all-purpose cleaner. And I'm just going to wipe off this, not tool, but piece right here. Because there's a lot of stale kitty food residue from vacuuming up cat food. It still kind of has a smell to it, but that's okay. So to put your brush roll back in, you line this up like that. And you make sure that this is lined up. Just like this. Just like this. That looks good. I'm still not sure where this little piece of plastic, wherever I set it, came from. I don't know where this is supposed to go. Give me a second and I'll check my video footage and see if I can find. Okay, so I did find where this goes. It clips right here. It's air intake for the brush roll motor, which sits right there. But you don't want dirt sucking into it, so it's got this little edge right here, like a little cover. So that's where that comes from. So don't lose that. You don't want to suck dirt into your motor. That would probably end up with premature death of your motor. This side can be a little tricky to get in, but now it's in. Okay, let's pop this back on. The brush roll in this machine is relatively clean. Let's get our drill back out and put this back together. I have the clutch set to a very low setting so we don't accidentally strip any parts of our... You can see just how little force it takes because I set it to a very low setting. Put some dust going into this. And that's all the screws, so that is back in place now. So to check for clogs, you can unhook the hose from up here by twisting it like this, and then you can take it back down like this. It's got a pretty long hose. You can also disconnect it by going like that. Now the hose is disconnected, and now you can wiggle it out. You can check down here, check for clogs. Look here, stretch it out like this. To remove the wand, you press this button right here, and this comes off. You can look down here and see if there's any clogs. Mine doesn't have any. In order to check clogs in your brush roll, you can look down here and see if there's any clogs down this little green spot right here. Make sure that this isn't twisted when I put it back. So that's how to do that. So to wash your filters, I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. I will be right back. Before we go to the sink, I'm going to show you how to access your post motor filter. You just pull this tab down, and then you press this little black piece right here, and then your post motor filter comes out. You can see right here, it has black layers on the back for odors, so it looks dirty, but it's not. This is your post motor filter, so you will need to replace this, I believe, every 2 years or something. This is not a washable filter, sadly. Okay, that is secure. Make sure both clips are secured. Yes, they are. So just put this like that and click it back in. Pretty simple. All right, so I'll be right back and I'll show you how to wash your filter. All right, to wash your Bissell Multi-Cleans filters, it's pretty simple. All you do is turn the water on. I put it on spray, and you just keep running water through your filters, just like this. Use medium warmish water, don't use hot. That's too hot. That's good right there. Just keep going like this, running water through, squeezing it out, running water through, squeezing it out until the filter runs dry. And then when the filter is dry, like it is right now, your filter can now be put aside, and we can wash the second pre-motor filter, which is this piece of fabric. Just keep washing like this. Again, mine is exceptionally dirty, so I'm going to show you how to towel dry these filters. It's pretty simple. You just take the filter and you wrap it in a microfiber towel like this, and you squeeze the filter in the towel, And you can see all that water that would have been in the filter is now absorbed into the towel. Same with this filter. Squeeze it like this, and you can see just how much water that towel absorbed. The towel is now soaked with water. So all that water would have been in your filters, but now it's in the towels. So I'll be right back for the drying, the second drying. Okay, to dry your filters, it's very simple. I have this fan here, well, here, and we're gonna use this fan after I move this stuff. All right, now that we've moved the fan to a more ideal location, we can turn it on, and all you do is just place your filters like this in front of the fan, and the fan will dry the filters. It's that simple. So tell me what you thought about this maintenance video on the Bissell Multi-Clean Allergen Pet. Overall, this is a pretty easy vacuum to maintain if you know how to maintain it. And trust me, it's very easy, and I really hope this video helped you with performing maintenance procedures on your Bissell Multi-Clean. As I said, it's a really easy to vacuum to maintain. It doesn't have any complex things that you got to do with it. I'm just wiping the seal like this, and that's it. So I'm gonna keep this bin open like that to let myself know to not use this vacuum until the filters are dry. All right, so as I said, let me know what you think about this Bissell Multi-Clean maintenance video. These filters should dry very quickly. And tell me what you think about my new drill, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.